In today's digital landscape, migrating from legacy ETL systems to Azure Data Factory can feel like navigating a complex labyrinth. But with the right insights, this transition can lead to a new era of efficiency and innovation. As IT professionals and decision makers, you're familiar with the intricacies involved in managing data flows. Legacy ETL systems often have complex logic that needs careful analysis during migration. Azure Data Factory offers robust capabilities, but adapting to its different approach presents a learning curve. This is the first challenge we must address. Secondly, data source compatibility can pose significant hurdles. On-premise or legacy data sources might need additional configuration or connectors in Azure Data Factory. Skill gaps also emerge as a critical challenge. Transitioning to cloud-based tools requires new expertise. Investing in training or collaborating with experienced partners can accelerate your team's proficiency and ease the transition process. Performance tuning is another pivotal aspect. Optimizing Azure pipelines for large data sets and complex transformations is crucial for performance and cost management. But don't let these challenges discourage you. With a strategic approach and the right support, you can transform these roadblocks into stepping stones. We can help you on this journey. Let's make your migration to Azure Data Factory a success story. Reach out to us today to discover how we can assist you in navigating this path with confidence.